how he's smoothing out now to make it everything laid straight to the handle. So he's masking the handle up. You can see the handle's chrome. They got a version of these handles that come chrome. Obviously, they're the higher price ones. And Odygen Chrome does the chrome, which is a real top shop of chrome. And so we got to mask it up to avoid any sand scratches while he prepared the door for paint. But the way that he got the contour made, you know, when you actually lay the paint on it. See, I love it like this. See, I know once that wet hit it, oh my God. Ooh. I know when that wet hit it, what it's gonna do, it's gonna make me want to cha-cha. So when I could see it in Bondo stage, and it damn near looked like you could put paint on it. Besides the sand scratches, you know, but look at the details. You know, like that's, oh man. This is what you want.